घर क्या है ये घर? Is it a feeling, a place, memory or people? What is home to you? Is it mom's smiling face or hugging your parents? Is it comfort of your bed or playing with your pets? Is it just a house or is it the peace within? A cup of coffee in your garden or to be yourself in the chaos? Hi, I am Prakriti and this is home to me, the house of my belongings. There's abundance of love, there's life, beauty, there's smile, there's freedom, peace, there's fun, there's madness, well, and a lot of struggle too. ये घर नहीं है सिर्फ, this is a whole new world. A love at first sight. The love that made me leave comfort of my bed, all the luxuries of a city, and my parents' smiling face every day. Before I saw this house, I often called the road my home, and I felt as if I belonged everywhere. Well, no, I belong to the wild, and I found a house for my precious belonging, exactly like a dream. It was like a calling for me, and I immediately took the chance. A house which allows me to be close to nature. A house that leaves me awestruck with its changing colors and seasons. A house where I don't regret spending a single moment. A house which makes me feel whole despite worries of life. A place with magical powers. This place is my home. Nested in the middle of the jungle with just bare minimum necessities. Just like people used to have in old gold days. Reason I call it back in time. Everything is carved with love, hard work, positivity and only good vibes. There are a lot of struggles too of living in the mountains, that too at a place like this. But nothing worth having comes easy. You have to pay either in money or in blood and sweat. Think about it. Tell me what home means to you.